7 Hidden Costs of Moving. You have thoroughly planned your move, created a checklist and followed every step. You have already prepared your moving budget for the typical moving and packing costs, and rest assured that you are ready. Alas, you can still face small unpredictable outgoings that might lead to frustration. Move-out cleaning services. Whether you move out of a house or apartment, you cannot skip deep cleaning your soon-to-be old place to make it ready for sale or new rentals. Besides, deep cleaning is often a mandatory requirement stated in rental contracts. If your moving budget is limited, you may clean your home on your own, but making a place ready to move in usually takes time though. Another option is to hire a professional cleaning service. In most cases, cleaning companies charge by the hour or based on the gross floor area. The average hourly rate varies from $50 to $90. The total price depends on the size of your home and the type of cleaning. Changes in insurance coverage or rates. The address is one of the factors influencing insurance rates. Any changes in address can shift your insurance rates whether up or down, be it car insurance, renter's insurance, or health insurance. To avoid unpleasant surprises, research this aspect in advance to include this item of expense in your budget. Besides, do not forget to get your moving insurance beforehand. Last-minute deals may cost you more. Storage costs. You may need a storage service if your new home is not ready to accommodate all your belongings at once. Maybe you plan additional cleaning or realized some furniture items do not fit the new place after the fact. Hence, you will need a storage facility for your items. Storage services bring additional costs. Storage expenses accumulate quickly, particularly if you need it longer than expected. Storage facilities charge usually on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. The average storage unit costs from $90 to $290 per month based on the volume of stored items. Change in utilities. When you apply for services for your new home, you will have to make a deposit. Besides, rates for utilities like water, electricity, and gas can be higher. Moreover, if you upgrade to a larger apartment or house, you need to be ready to be charged more. Check with your utility provider regarding startup costs and ask about the approximate estimation of monthly service. Replacement appliances and supplies. Decluttering before moving to a new home is a must-be process. Following a floor plan of your new place, you have to sort out your furniture and large appliance items. Some appliances you plan to move, while others you won't need anymore. Whether you sell some items, donate, or throw them away, decluttering helps to cut moving costs as movers usually charge by volume or weight. If you move out of a rented apartment, you need to make sure that all furniture and appliances are ready for new rentals. Some items might need replacement, repairs, or renovation. Building fees. If you move from or to an apartment, you might face hidden costs of moving in the form of extra fees charged in your building for additional services like using service elevators or supervising the move. In some cases, building fees can make up from $200 to $500. Miscellaneous costs. It might be difficult to anticipate all overhead costs, but you can set aside some money for any unexpected moving expenses like new registrations, gym and sports club subscriptions, pet daycare or babysitter fees. When you receive a move estimation from a moving company, the amount doesn't include tips for movers. However, tips are usually considered as a gesture of politeness and appreciation of all the hard work, particularly if the job is done well. Look for a reliable and fully licensed moving company that provides detailed move estimation, preferably with in-person service or via virtual meeting like FaceTime or Zoom, with no hidden costs. This aspect distinguishes professional movers like TrekMovers from scams. Are you planning to move? Get in touch with us to get a free quote and move safely.